Hi guys, welcome to class number 3 for Monday, April 20th and Tuesday, April 21st. So today there's a couple of things that you have to do. You'll see those on Google Classroom. The first one is there are some additional Cold War notes. They're labeled the Iron Curtain, and those are going to be about the Berlin Wall and the division of Germany. You are going to go ahead and click through these notes like you did with the ones from last week. There is no fill in the blank note sheet, so you just need to read through the notes, jot down some notes, or print them out if you are able. Okay, so you have those again, just in case for an open note quiz like we would do in class. Once you finish the notes, you are going to have a reading and then a video to watch. So there is a reading that is labeled The Berlin Wall. You're going to read through this particular reading, and then you're going to answer the questions that are labeled Berlin Wall reading questions, okay? Just like we would do in class. Here, like I've asked you to do before, if you will answer the questions in a bold, different color so I can tell what your answers are, okay? And then once you're finished with that, you are going to watch a quick 5-minute video and answer 4 questions to go along with it. Okay, the video link is on the worksheet. It is a YouTube video. Okay, it is called The Building of the Berlin Wall. And if I can move my screen here, I will show you. You will see that on there, and then go ahead and answer those questions. When you're finished with everything, go ahead and click Turn In. As always, during this, if you have any questions, go ahead and email me, or if you need to do a Google Meet, let me know as well. Okay, take care.